Open the glove box. Remove the damper arm. Push in on the two tabs at the top to lower the glove box. Unclip the tabs and push outwards to release the housing door. Lift the housing to free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Align the bottom tabs of the housing cover, then press the top tabs to lock it into place. Raise the glove box and pinch the tabs to move the stops behind their catch. Reinstall the damper arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.